most people get this wrong. They choose a secured credit card, just based on approval odds. But the biggest mistake you need to avoid is ignoring long-term cost and credit growth potential. In this video, we are comparing OpenSky versus Discover It Secured in 2026, so you can finally decide which one is actually better for building credit. Let's start with the basics. The OpenSky Secured Visa credit card is designed for people who want easy approval. Even if Alex has no credit history or has been denied before, he can still get this card because there is no credit check. Now, compare that with the Discover It Secured card, which also helps you build credit, but with a very different structure. Now here's where it gets interesting. Both cards help you build credit, but they are not built the same way at all. But here's the problem most beginners do not see at first. They focus only on approval and ignore fees, rewards, and graduation path. Let's break it down clearly. First, approval. OpenSky is easier to get because there is no credit check. That makes it ideal for someone like Jake who has been denied multiple times or is completely new to credit. Discover, on the other hand, may still require basic credit evaluation, but it is still beginner-friendly for most users. Now let's talk about cost. OpenSky charges an annual fee. That is important because it means you are paying just to keep the card open. Discover has no annual fee, which already gives it a major advantage. Now here's the part most people care about. Rewards and benefits. Discover offers cashback rewards even on a secured card. That means you are earning while building credit. OpenSky does not offer rewards at all. In a minute I'll show you the one factor that matters more than rewards or fees when choosing your first credit card. Now let's talk about credit building. Both cards report to major credit bureaus, which means both can build credit history if used correctly. But Discover also offers a clear graduation path to an unsecured card, which means you can get your deposit back and upgrade over time. OpenSky does not have the same strong upgrade structure. So which one is better? If your main goal is easy approval at any cost, OpenSky can help you start. But if your goal is long-term credit building with rewards and no fees, Discover It Secured is the stronger option. Let's make it simple. OpenSky is easier to get. Discover is better to grow with. Let's summarize everything clearly. OpenSky works for absolute beginners who need guaranteed approval, while Discover It Secured is better for long-term credit building because it has no annual fee, rewards, and a stronger upgrade path. If this helped you understand OpenSky versus Discover It Secured in 2026, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple credit comparisons like this.